Have you ever felt like you can literally gain weight just by looking at food? Like your body is actively fighting you, storing every single calorie you consume? It's not in your head. And it's not because you're lazy. It's because of something called sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. By age 50, most women have lost up to 10% of their muscle mass. And that muscle loss is the single biggest reason why your metabolism has slowed down to a crawl. Today, we are settling the score. I'm going to prove to you that resistance training is not for bulking up. It's the ultimate metabolic turbocharger. We'll talk about the Metabolic VCR, how much protein you really need, and the 3 best movements to start today. Let's get educational, but I promise this is fun. Think of your body like a house that has 2 heating sources. Fat is the candle. It provides a tiny bit of warmth. It burns maybe 2 calories a day just sitting there. Muscle is the furnace. It is metabolically active. It burns up to 50 calories a day just existing, doing nothing. When you lose muscle, you lose furnaces. Your resting metabolic rate, the calories you burn just breathing, drops. This is why you gain weight eating the exact same amount you ate in your 30s. Now, let's talk about the Metabolic VCR. Muscle is where your body keeps the receptor sites for insulin. When you have healthy muscle, your body can efficiently tape or record the sugar from your meals into those muscle cells. When you lose muscle, you lose those VCRs. The sugar has nowhere to go. It stays in your bloodstream, raises insulin, and is quickly shipped off to be stored as fat. This is why strong women are more insulin sensitive, and therefore leaner. If that VCR analogy finally clicked for you, do me a huge favor and tap that subscribe button right now. This channel is dedicated to giving you the real science behind weight loss, not the silly fads. Hit subscribe, and let's turn your body into a fat-burning machine. You can lift weights all day, but if you don't give your body the raw material to rebuild, you are just spinning your wheels. The raw material is protein. The common advice, to eat about 50 grams of protein a day, is simply not enough for an older, active woman. Our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and using protein as we age. It's called anabolic resistance. Your goal, you should aim for roughly 1 gram of protein per pound of your ideal body weight. If your ideal weight is 130 pounds, you need 130 grams of protein. I know that sounds like a lot, but this is the magic number for stimulating muscle growth and keeping you full. This requires intentional planning. Think protein shakes, Greek yogurt, chicken, eggs, and fish at every single meal. Let's address the biggest fear that keeps women away from dumbbells. I don't want to get bulky. I promise you, unless you are actively taking exogenous hormones and eating an extra 3,000 calories a day, you will not get bulky. Women have dramatically lower levels of testosterone than men. Testosterone is the primary hormone that drives large, dramatic muscle growth. What lifting will do is give you sculpted arms, tight glutes, and a waist that looks smaller because your metabolic furnace is cranked up. You will look toned, confident, and powerful. If you're tired of doing endless, boring cardio that makes you hungry, and you're ready to embrace the metabolism-boosting power of strength, stick with me. We release the best, most effective strategies for women over 40 every single week. If you haven't yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You don't need fancy machines. You just need to focus on compound movements. Exercises that use multiple large muscle groups at once. The squat, the queen. This works your glutes, hamstrings, and quads. These are the biggest muscles in your body, meaning they burn the most fuel. You can use your own body weight, a bag of groceries, or dumbbells. Do it 3 times a week. The row, posture power. Whether it's with resistance bands or dumbbells, pulling weight toward your body is essential. It combats hunchback posture, strengthens your entire upper back, and helps burn calories while you're sitting. The overhead press, confidence builder. Stand tall and push weights directly above your head. This activates your shoulders and core. Strong shoulders make your waist look smaller and boost your daily confidence. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each movement, 3 times a week. That's it. Quality over quantity. You can starve yourself down to a smaller size, but you will always be hungry, tired, and your metabolism will be broken. Or you can invest in your metabolic furnace, your muscle. Eat enough protein, lift heavy things, and your body will become naturally resilient to weight gain. I want to know, are you incorporating weight training right now, or are you still scared of getting bulky? Tell me your biggest hesitation in the comments below. If you are ready to flip that metabolic switch and take control of your furnace, hit that like button. We've got the full roadmap right here on True Lose Zone. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.